Hi everybody, this is the tutorial for Heaven. My name's Billy from Piano and Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. We're in standard tuning for this song, and we have 4 shapes that we need for the introduction. And the introduction has some finger picking parts. I'll go over that first, then I'll talk about the strumming that comes later on in the song afterwards. So first things first, we need an F major shape, which is going to be a bar chord, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, and then 1, 1 on the B and E, picked up by the bad finger. So let's break down the finger picking needed for that chord. We start with the E string and the B string, both fret 1. Then we go back to the E string. And then we have a 2 on the G string. Then back to the E string. Then back to the B string. And then back to that low E string. So we're always returning back to this string here. And then what we do is we play that twice. So that is the first chord. Now the next chord, we follow a very similar idea with a C major chord, which is 3 on the A, 2 on the D, an open G, 1 on the B, and an open E. However, the strings that we play, in terms of your picking hand, move down a string. So we have the 3 on the A with an open E string. Back to the A, B string, A string, and then back to the E, and then back to the A. And again, that is 2 times round. So up to now we have. Now, of course, this is nice and slow, just to get you up to speed with the track. The song's a lot faster, basically, but yes, for now, we'll take it nice and steady. So we then have a G major chord, which is 3 on the E, 2 on the A, 0, 0, 3 on the B, and then a 3 on the high E. And what we're going to do is go back to the fingering and the strings that we use for the first chord. So the E and the B together. E, G, E, B, E. So when you put that with the first 2 chords, we get. Now at this point, we have just 1 time round an A minor chord, which is an open A, 2, 2 on the D and G, 1 on the B, and an open E. And what we do is we play. That is the same set of strings that we use for the C chord, but just to break that down, A and D, A, B, A, E, A. But after we've done that once, go back to G and repeat that one once. So let's just break that down nice and slowly. So that is it nice and slow. We want to try and speed that up to play along with the track. Now we're going to play those 2 times round for the first verse. However, as the song progresses, we'll likely be playing the same chords over and over, but how we play them changes throughout the song. So I'm going to break down all the different parts for it. In fact, what I've done is I've wrote out the chord chart for this song with all the different chords and all the different sections and when to play what type of picking, as well as a chord sheet of the chords and lyrics matched up. Let's say you're singing or playing along and you need to know which chord and which lyric match together. Over on Patreon, I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but well over 800 songs of all the latest releases, including a ton of Myles' songs as well. However, let's break down what we need to play for the pre-chorus. So the pre-chorus does take the same chords in the same order, but we're now strumming, so I'm going to pick up my plectrum, and we've got the F major. And I'm playing this really full-on rhythm. Myles loves to use really full-on strumming. So what we have on that F chord is that down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, which is down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. That's it nice and slow. At pace we get, and we're going to loop that round for the first 3 chords, F, C and G. And then we have that bar of A minor to G where it's shared. So we just have a couple of beats on A minor, a couple of beats on G. And you can play down, up, down, down for each chord. So I'll put all those chords together so you can see how this all fits together. F. And if we play that round twice, we get the pre-chorus. We then start to get a little bit of repetition. There's a chorus, so that's when Myles is really going for it vocally, but our chords remain the same. Same order of chords, same type of strumming. And well, looking at the sheet, which is what's available on Patreon, we get lots of repetition, except there's one main difference. After the bridge section of the song, we get another chorus, and that's where, although we play the same chords, we do play them differently. So there is a chorus where the first 2 times round, we're going to sustain the chords, as in, play them once, let them ring out, like this. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We play that round twice, and then the next 2 times round the chorus, we go back to our full-on strumming, and so on. And that, in a nutshell, is everything you need to get through this song. So if you found it useful, please do like and subscribe. Really helps out the channel. I'm slowly getting closer to 9,000 subscribers. And also consider getting the extra material on Patreon, which is what these people will get on the screen, who are my active patrons. So when, this video goes live, they will get immediate access to that content that I mentioned earlier. So thanks to them for their support. Thanks to you for watching. I'll catch you in next one.